Alright, today we're at Chestnut Grove Nature Area. Here's the map that we're at, and then you have, this will tell you the different trails and the difficulties of them. So let's get started. And you have this here: no hunting, no alcohol, motor vehicles, all the rules and regulations. So let's get started. What's going on? It's Saturday. Remember to get out and enjoy nature every now and then. Very peaceful. This is just going to be a little peaceful, quiet, no no talking or very low talking video, just to take it all in. Looks like the sun's trying to come out a little bit. Now we reached the end of the this little black trail. My wife's back there. Got a little red circle trail here. We're just taking it easy and soaking in the nature a little bit. A little chilly out today. Not like it's been though. What's nice about this is it's grass and it's not real rocky, pretty easy to walk on. So if you have trouble walking on like rocks and stuff like that, this here would be a good place to come walk. Probably not in the summertime because there's no shade, be full blast sun, but fall or spring would be really nice if you don't want to be out in the heat and stuff in the summertime. Or just bring an umbrella with. Have yourself a little bit of shade that way. I think, hold on, Buff. Here. I think right there's a landfill. We're on the Lancaster County side. I believe that's where we're at. And There is some trails I believe you can ride horses on, and some you can't. There's a big sign back there at the very beginning. There was a junction up there I forgot to video. But anyways, he's ready to go. I believe there's a platform up here, right up there, for a eagle's nest or something. I could be wrong. And this trail goes down around. Looks like it goes over and up through there, all around. Got some behind the scenes footage there. There's supposed to be a lake or something, or a little pond. I don't know if it's down there or not. So there's Mr. Sun again. Still in the little red dot trail. Yeah, I see a water, some water down there, but that looks like one of them rain catch things. Can't really remember what the name of it is right now. But this is the scenery for now. It's all the same. Still very peaceful. Haven't seen too many birds or anything out. There was one on top of that platform up there. Hold on, he's trying to pull me. I don't know what's in there. Something in there. So this trail here is a little rocky. This is the only trail that we've been on that's rocky. But most of it's been all grassy and stuff. There are some hills, but not a lot on the path that we were on. There's like slight inclines, but there are some steeper ones. The board will show you which trails to take and how steep the incline is. You know, sometimes you just have to get out in nature and unwind a little bit. Ain't that right?
Yeah. Very
And this will take you to the Turkey Hill Trail, which yep. We're not going in there right now. Let me go down here for a minute. Yeah, you stay here. Hold him for a minute. You stay there. It's probably killing him not to come in here because he loves going in the woods. This trail here looks like it's a long way down. Pretty steep. I'm sorry if you didn't try to drag you into the woods.
You totally missed something.
What?
Look at the bottles.
Oh, I totally missed it. Let me. Oh, see, there he goes. Hold on. Stop. Check this out. Hold him 1 second. Check this out. I got gloves on. I got to take the gloves off. There's all the more bottles here. She's right. I did miss him. It's all glass and stuff in there. So, if you bring your dogs here, just be careful with them walking in here because there's probably glass underneath the leaves and stuff. Let's go this way. Very peaceful. Yeah, he's trying to go, or was trying to go, in the woods. He loves going for walks, especially in the woods. And then this sort of sets like I want to say a panic off for him to see what he can find in the woods. Every time he sees a trail, he starts panicking like he has to go down and investigate. Definitely chilly out. You can take shelter under there if you want.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got up here. Then we might call it quits. We'll see. can hear the electricity running through the lines. Here's a hawk. I would have zoomed in, but I have one hand on this and the other hand on my phone. I guess this is. Oh, there's a buzzard.
Oh, you can hear the electricity here too.
Yeah, listen to the electricity if you all can hear it. But that's the end of this trail here. Anyways, I believe that's going to do it for today. I might show some other stuff on the way back. But have a great day, and remember, treat yourself with kindness.
Bye.